In a world where technology evolves faster than we can imagine, one innovation stands out, poised to revolutionize the very fabric of industries. Imagine a world where everything is faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. Welcome to the era of 5G, a transformative force beyond just faster internet speeds. Today's video is all about how 5G is set to reshape manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, and entertainment, with real-world examples and insights from experts who are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Get ready to witness the future, because 5G is not just about speed, it's about redefining our world. Understanding 5G. 5G, the fifth generation of wireless tech, isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. It's not just about faster, it's about blazing speeds, minimal delays, and rock-solid reliability. Imagine downloads so rapid, it's almost like teleporting data, and connections so robust they never waver. 5G is the game changer, with its high-frequency radio waves, ultra-connectivity, and tech wizardry like beamforming and millimeter waves. Picture this. We've come a long way from the clunky cell phones of 1G that could barely make calls. Then, 2G added texting, 3G brought limited internet access, 4G revolutionized our world with speedy mobile internet and app-driven smartphones. Now, 5G isn't just an upgrade, it's a metamorphosis. It's not just connecting people, it's connecting everything, from your toaster to your car, with almost zero lag. Here's the kicker. 5G isn't just a bit faster, it's 100 times faster than 4G. Think gigabit per second speeds. It's like streaming a whole series before you finish your popcorn. But here's where it gets really exciting. 5G doesn't dawdle. Its latency is measured in milliseconds, nearly real time. No more waiting. It's almost like communicating in person. That's the power of 5G. It's not just about quick cat videos. It's about making self-driving cars, remote surgeries, and augmented reality and everyday reality. Fasten your seatbelts. 5G is changing the game for good. Manufacturing. 5G has the potential to drive Industry 4.0, the era of smart manufacturing. It could facilitate real-time data exchange, allowing factories to monitor equipment and processes with unparalleled precision. For instance, a CNC machine on a 5G network can instantly adjust its settings based on real-time data from sensors, optimizing production quality and efficiency. Its high-speed, low-latency capabilities could be instrumental in the automation of manufacturing processes. Robots and machines equipped with IoT sensors could seamlessly communicate and coordinate tasks in real time. Consider a scenario where an assembly line robot detects a faulty component. It can instantly request a replacement from inventory, potentially reducing downtime and minimizing human intervention. This would allow high-scale manufacturing industries to embrace Industry 4.0 principles fully. By utilizing 5G for real-time data analytics and predictive maintenance, they could potentially reduce unplanned downtime. Additionally, their defect rate might drop by 20%, resulting in a substantial cost savings and increased competitiveness. Transportation. Apart from manufacturing, 5G has the potential to play a pivotal role in achieving connected and safer transportation systems. Vehicles equipped with 5G technology could exchange real-time data with nearby vehicles and traffic infrastructure. For example, if a car encounters a sudden obstacle, it could potentially transmit this information to nearby vehicles, allowing them to adjust their routes or speeds accordingly. Autonomous vehicles would heavily rely on 5G's low latency and high-speed data transmission. These attributes could enable autonomous cars to process enormous amounts of data from various sensors and make split-second decisions. In a potential scenario, an autonomous vehicle could react to sudden changes in traffic conditions or road hazards with precision, enhancing safety and efficiency. This is easily possible through V2X, which enables vehicles to seamlessly interact with their surroundings, paving the way for a host of remarkable advancements in road safety and traffic management. With V2X, vehicles become more than just machines on wheels. They become active participants in a dynamic ecosystem. One of the most promising aspects of V2X is its ability to facilitate platooning. This involves a group of vehicles traveling closely together, autonomously coordinating their movements through V2X communication. Platooning not only increases fuel efficiency, but also reduces traffic congestion, making our roadways more efficient and environmentally friendly. Furthermore, V2X opens the door to intelligent traffic flow management. Imagine a city where traffic lights adjust their timing based on real-time traffic conditions, rerouting vehicles to minimize congestion and reduce travel times. With V2X, this vision becomes attainable, potentially transforming urban mobility. Healthcare. 5G has the potential to revolutionize telemedicine. It could enable high-definition video consultations with minimal lag, making remote healthcare interactions almost as effective as in-person visits. Patients could have vital appointments with specialists from the comfort of their own homes, ensuring timely care for various medical conditions. Apart from that, surgeons can potentially perform procedures from distant locations with real-time precision, aided by robotic systems. This advancement could be especially critical in emergency situations, where immediate access to specialized surgical expertise is crucial. Now consider hospitals which integrated 5G connectivity into their operations. They streamlined patient monitoring through wearable devices that transmit real-time data to healthcare providers. In emergency cases, they use 5G for live consultations with specialists, resulting in faster decision-making and better patient outcomes. This argument alone shows that 5G holds a key to healthcare revolution. Entertainment. 5G is set to elevate streaming and gaming to new heights. With its faster download speeds and lower latency, users can enjoy 4K and even 8K video streaming without buffering. Gamers can experience lag-free online gameplay, opening doors to competitive gaming on mobile devices and cloud gaming platforms. 5G is the missing piece of the puzzle for augmented and virtual reality. It enables seamless and immersive experiences, whether it's exploring virtual worlds, training and simulations, or enhancing real-world environments with augmented information. With 5G, the potential for AR and VR applications become limitless. Challenges and considerations. Spectrum allocation remains a critical challenge in the widespread deployment of 5G technology. While 5G offers faster and more efficient use of spectrum, the demand for these frequencies is skyrocketing. This high demand can lead to congestion and competition for available spectrum, potentially limiting the rollout of 5G services. Regulatory bodies and governments worldwide need to carefully manage and allocate spectrum resources to ensure equitable access for various stakeholders, including mobile carriers, industries, and public services. As 5G networks become the backbone for critical infrastructure and industries, concerns about data security and privacy have become paramount. The sheer volume of data transmitted over 5G networks raises the risk of cyber attacks, data breaches, and unauthorized surveillance. Robust encryption, authentication protocols, and cybersecurity measures are essential to protect sensitive information and ensure the privacy of users. Striking the right balance between security and usability is an ongoing challenge. The deployment of 5G requires substantial infrastructure upgrades. Unlike previous generations of wireless technology, 5G relies on a dense network of small cells and infrastructure such as fiber optic cables to deliver high-speed, low-latency connectivity. These infrastructure upgrades demand significant investments in terms of time and resources. Moreover, the physical installation of small cells and antennas in urban areas may face regulatory and logistical challenges, making the expansion of 5G networks a complex undertaking. Future possibilities. While 5G is still in its early stages of deployment, the tech industry is already looking to 6G and beyond. These future wireless technologies are expected to push the boundaries even further. Some experts suggest that 6G, anticipated around the 2030s, could provide terabit per second speeds and enable groundbreaking applications like direct brain-computer interfaces and advanced holographic communication. It's important to note that research and development in this field continues to evolve rapidly. But only time will tell how much this advancement helps us in the future. For today, we can surely say that 5G isn't just about faster internet. It's a catalyst for a new era of connectivity, innovation, and possibilities. From smart factories revolutionizing manufacturing, to V2X communication redefining transportation, And from telemedicine expanding healthcare access to immersive entertainment experiences, the impact of 5G is tangible, real, and already reshaping industries.